Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to backup, restore, and recover your data in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So let's get started. Part 1. How to backup your data. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. Next, go to Update and Security, and then click on Backup. Here you will see an option called Backup using File History. Click Add a Drive, and choose an external hard drive or USB storage. Once selected, Windows will automatically back up your important files such as documents, pictures, and desktop. You can also click More options to customize which folders are backed up and how often the backup runs. Part 2. How to restore files from backup. Now, if you ever lose a file, restoring it is easy. Go back to Settings, then Update and Security, and select Backup. Click More options, then choose Restore files from a current backup. You can browse through older versions of your files, select what you need, and click Restore to get them back. Part 3. System Recovery Options. If your system has serious problems, Windows also offers recovery tools. Go to Settings. Click Update and Security. Then Recovery. Here, you can reset Windows, keep your personal files, or fully reinstall the system if needed. And that's it. By using these backup, restore, and recovery options, you can keep your data safe and your system secure. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.